All right, welcome to this video walkthrough. First floor studio in Porter Square. So great location, right on the red line. Okay, so let me just close this door, give you guys a bit more of a view. So it opens up directly into the living area. Okay, so got a nice little alcove right here. Could set up a bed. All right. It's radiators. So old school heating, very typical in Boston. You got some nice windows right there overlooking the street. Air conditioning, not included, but they're pretty cheap to buy. Got a modest, cute little bathroom, vanity, sink, toilet. You got a tub right here. Shower, tub combo. Again, very typical in Boston. All right, you got a closet over here. Lots of room, lots of space. Good storage. And walk into the kitchen, which is also a pretty good size. Got a fridge right there. You got some counter space, sink, gas stove, a little oven, okay. The window. You got some cabinets up top. Okay, and you could finagle a little table, maybe for two. Okay. Heat and hot water are included. There's no laundry on site, but there is a laundromat just literally steps away. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. And if you have any questions, please reach out to Angel at Leopold McMaster's Realty. And we can get you sorted over there. Have a good one.